come on, almost there. Come on. Zaku, Zaku. Hey Exia, can I play some Reach on that? No, dude. Can't you see I'm busy here? Gosh, annoying. Oh, I know you're busy. Sorry, Zaku. Talk about annoying. Jeez. Yo, Exia, how about some of that midnight club there? Sorry, Double O, I'm kind of busy right now. I'm playing Halo Reach right now. Oh, I guess I'll see you around then. Later. Hey, Exia, can I borrow the computer? I need to use the internet real quick. I'm using the internet right now. I'm using it, okay? But there's no one there. I said I'm using the internet. Oh, okay. I said there's. Hey, F91. How long has Exia been playing that game? Man, I would probably say since September 14th. So, if I were you, I'd just ignore it for a while. He'll get tired of it sooner or later. Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Ah ha ha. Oh, damn it. Coming running with a ignorant switch. Oh no! Gotta learn this song name. Yes! Shotgun beats everything. Huh? Oh no! Oh, boo hoo hooey. Boo. That sucks. By myself last night. Oh no! Come on! I'm gonna get you. Haha! Take that! Hoo-ha! Yes! In your face!